This is the Tailr slide-on pet ID QR code tag. Feels like a modern upgrade from the old school jiggly tags. That's what it looks like, okay? This is gold and it's the size large. When you want more from a tag, this gets you more. So this is what you do. You purchase the tag. You scan this with your phone. It's a QR code. It goes to like info.tailr.pet, okay? You're going to set up an account for your pet. Very easy, takes like 2 minutes. This QR code makes it so simple. One thing I want to mention, this is one purchase. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, which is nice. So you register your pet. This has a lost and found network. When the pet's tag is scanned, the finder sees your contact info. They report missing pets to all Tailr users within a 25-mile radius, and you could easily share on social media. But this is not the only benefit of this. It has document capabilities to keep your pet documents in it. Vaccines, procedures, healthcare, medical records, anything in the app. To share information instantly based on your privacy preferences, how you've set it up. It's emergency ready. We already talked about that. Health and medication tracking, allergies, medications, dosages, anything like that. Personalized care, triggers for the animal, calming techniques, behavioral quirks. It's all in here. One app. And grooming made easy. Access your pet's hairstyle preferences, sensitive areas, or whatnot. But the most important, of course, is the lost and found network. And I really like that there's no subscription for the app, which is just eliminating any monthly fees. This makes sense for doggies or kitties that are active, escape artists, or just deserve more than a basic engraved little tag. If you like the idea of a quiet tag that gives you real info and alerts, this is for you. Highly recommend the Tailr Slide On Pet ID QR code. This video is sponsored by the brand.